Dr. David Cohen, a veterinarian living in Israel. The BQ laser is a 21st century innovation that has the power to change veterinary medicine. The BQ laser is a lightweight, portable, user-friendly unit that brings laser therapy out of the big human hospitals and into veterinary clinics like yours and mine, and even into the pet owner's home. And the BQ laser is a soft laser, also referred to as LllT or low laser. The advantages of the BQ laser are that it provides coverage of a large 4.5 square centimeter area with a uniform coherent beam. It's not a point laser. It also works at 808 nanometers within the wavelength of the 800 to 830 nanometers, which is for optimal healing. It has a lot of power at its peak, 250 milliwatts. So we have the power and technology of a large human pain clinic within our veterinary clinics and at home with the pet owner. And it's affordable. How does it work? Through its electro-optical mechanism, the phototherapy laser penetrates the skin without heating or damaging it. It emits light that activates the cytochrome within the mitochondria, releasing ATP. This creates biostimulation of the cell. It increases cell-to-cell communication by releasing sodium, potassium, and calcium, and it increases nerve communication and blood flow. And it even releases the hormone endorphin. The end result of this biochemical cascade is analgesia and faster healing. What are the BQ laser's indications in veterinary medicine? It can be used on dermatological cases, acute and chronic skin wounds that don't want to heal, granulomas, lick granulomas, hot spots, acne, infected wounds, and scars. It can also be used to speed healing after surgery by applying it to the surgical site. This is Shelby, who has a chronic ulcer that's not healing inside of the ear canal, and we're applying the BQ laser to this site. The owner's doing this at home twice a day for 6 minutes, and we're seeing improvement. Good boy. The BQ laser can also be used on neurological cases for neurological deficits and nerve paralysis, such as radial nerve paralysis, can be used on cranial nerves, spinal nerves, and all the peripheral nerves. It can also be used for cases of arthritis and arthrosis, so hip dysplasia, OCD, elbow dysplasia, and TMJ. It has musculoskeletal applications and treats back pain, and can also be used in horses for a tendinopathy such as bowed tendons. This is Snoopy, who was hit by a car and has a fractured pelvis and a fractured vertebra. And we're using the BQ laser to help Snoopy recover. This cat can't walk very well. Turn on the unit, adjust my time. We're applying it to the area where there's a fractured vertebrae and a lot of nerve damage. This cat has some discomfort. There we are. But she's improving and she's already standing in her litter box. The BQ laser can be applied in cases of dentistry, where we have chronic stomatitis, gingivitis, and phositis in cats, or chronic gingivitis in dogs. It can also be used along with acupuncture and can be placed along the trigger points. This is Millie, and Millie has some gingivitis, and we're going to simply treat by applying this to the gums. And she doesn't feel this, she doesn't mind it, and it's going to help to speed the healing of her gums. The BQ laser unit is applied for 6 minutes twice a day. One applies it for these 6 minutes to every 4.5 square centimeter area one is treating. Treatment is until problem is resolved or relieved. If the pet owner is unable to come to your clinic, you have the option of renting the unit to them so that they can use the BQ unit at home for the treatment period. If they prefer, you can sell them a unit for longer term use. Because the unit is so light and portable, it truly brings the power and technology of the clinic into the pet's home. For horses and large animals, the BQ laser is ideal. The owner can rent or buy a unit and treat his animal without wasting time, effort, or money and stress on the livestock on transporting that animal to and from your clinic. In cases of horses that have bowed tendons, you can instruct the owner on what to do, rent them a unit, and they can do the treatment at home. In the near future, a new product will be launched, BeCure Pro, a laser device 30% more powerful that will be sold exclusively for use by health professionals. I'm excited about the BeCure laser. I think it gives us, the veterinarians, a tool we didn't have before to alleviate pain, to heal wounds, and to effect cure. Thank you and good energies to you.